Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. Today we are diving into a quick tutorial on how to download the Standard Banking application on your device. It is also known as Stanbic Bank. This application doesn't have the PC version, so we need to download an application called BlueStacks, which allows us to use the mobile version of the application on our PC. Now let's get started. First of all, make sure that you are connected to the internet. After that, open any browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. In the URL bar, type in bluestacks.com and click enter. Now you are at the official website of BlueStacks. On the homepage, you can see download BlueStacks button. Click on that. After the download is finished, open up the downloads folder in your PC. Now open the setup file. If you see any prompts, click on Yes button. Now click on Install Now and click on I agree. Now your installation will start. It may take some time depending on your internet speed. After the installation of BlueStacks is completed, the application will open automatically. Now click on OK, OK and OK. Now over to the bottom left corner where you can see two options, App Layer and Multi-Instance Manager. Click on App Layer. After clicking on App Layer, a new dialog box will appear. Here you can see App Center and System Apps folder. Inside the System Apps folder, you can find Play Store. Open the Play Store. Then you need to sign in to your Gmail account. Click on Sign In button. Enter your email. Now enter your password. Click on I agree. Scroll down a little and click on Accept. After signing in, you can see the Play Store running on your device. Now, at the search bar, type in Standard Bank and then click on Enter. Click on the Install button or click on the logo and now click on Install. After the installation is completed, click on Open to use the application. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and feel free to comment down below if you have any queries.